Jublay pi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat ki bakong san mentaka sini kilong. Sumar klem jingsiu AA Haganish Das Hospital yang kena bakat syuntur. Penyap ulok ya kalok badang armen. Dawa penrung ya kikitin coach bat hajong high school. Ban Penkup burom ke BJP Meghalaya yang kong silbi berpahen. Tomantanya pai syaki Khubor ki bakam dia. Banai jing sumar bakam bha naga banta ki kena ki bakat prasnam syapo ki badan ke jingduna de khotmet kamtam ki bamlat bha ban kran nekat shintur baju tip kum ka cleft lip cleft plate. Nakaliang ke Ganesh Das Hospital rengkat ke jingya trelang bat ke mission smile na Guwahati lengba ka skim Rashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyakram. Kila penlong ya ke screening program na do kalai pau tarik ke lalengkot, bat penkut mentakas ngilai tarik Rymphang. Haba ai jingkran syakilal pathai Khubor. Kakong Dr. A. Lingdo Medical Superintendent Ganesh Das Hospital kalayat hu baka jing thumu jo ka program kalong ban ya rap ya kitu ki breu ki baduna kayo kakon ban sumar a klem jing siu na banta ban sumar ya ki khun jong ki ban pelat ya ki breu jang ka Jylla na kum kini ki jat jingpang. Kumba kalong menta ki breu ki let ban sumar ya kani ka jingpang syabar ka Jylla bat bon sien ki hapan siu hakador ka Rymphang. Kani ka jing sumar kalong ka sien ka baar baka Ganesh Das Hospital ka penlong ya kum kani ka program na ka banta ki jing mentoy jong ki breu ki badan ha kani ka jingpang. Hakani kekenti kiba lawan ban sya screening kila poi syakah nyo pohon riungut bad kibala sya sumar kilong san ku saungut. Na kaliang kinong penyai ke Ganesh Das Hospital kila khot lawe ki kemiki kpa balada kidon ki khun kiba don kum kini ki jingpang ban wan syakmat ban sumar ki hakani ka hospital. Hakani ka sngi penkut ladon lang bat senran ki doktor na Ganesh Das Hospital bad ki doktor jaga mission smile Guwahati.
NAKA pediatrician at the Khubor District Early Intervention Center from Ganesh Das Hospital. Ngakwa ban petip chapi. Bagani ka center ka bangi kita yang jingdon kam jingdon di bana do dan hal ka prasnam. So hamni ngi kita yang kita ki jingpang ki bangi ong ki 4 days no kita ki diseases bangi ong nanta ki deficiencies ki defects at birth. Kita kemut badan ka jingduna kapor nado dang khai ki but kita developmental delay but kita disability tika ni ka cleft ban kalit away na ki kita jingduna atau mek kapha tu ikilong nado dang kha ka long ko way na ki balong common bahan na ki defects at birth ni kita ki jingduna ka department kabangi yo ibun akan ni center kabangi lalum ki kat congenital kalong ka congenital heart disease kamu kemudian di sistem hoplong senam lalu kadang kan di ya kani ke sistem jong hoplong senam lu nilai tai MOU but di centers tambahan crunch pangkatan mengile mainly nak kita kani kelak-kelakan padan so ke bawan baar ya nak kini ki tak di sistem yang berduna ke khidmat kini kelak-kelakan padan sekiwai pada kita yang kini jing kedor ke jatru panggil kata ya tai abat ki kani ka mipai ki nompang si hospital so kini ki kelak-kelakan padan kiba ngiyo kinong pang kibobon kilong na ni na center jong hi namar ba na do dang kha ni let ki jaka ba khan kitu ki nurse ki doctors ba Peit ki kilong na do ba ki dang khan ki identify ye kini means ki lab ye kini ki cases so mas lab lawan ni lamang ni center nang ta ni register ye ki ndak la de ka ta por ba ki let for surgery ni salum nang ta ni sa ai ka jing tep chikini ki center kini bana Guwahati ki mission smile buyong ki sawan long ka kam kumugla ong long kani ka sin ban reu bat ang ni ko Ganesh Das kani ka sin ba so balay ni le ikini ki defects at birth kanong kubi long ni ka burden hindi tang burden jo ka jingpang bat ka ka katay ka laway jo gikilong kaway long ka klep la da piped ni kin complete tang ba fini tang ka dor siya ba re ki don ka problem ka feeding problem ka ki diru teng ki ledlat no ki chuk no namar balay pakadon ka to ka jingpa han suntur and kawai dia nak kata ika jingkran jong ki hadin kilong matron man kran so la dangin le ang por bob yang gaza yu ki kilong hadin ba kibon ki school drop out ro sa ka por ka ban le ai ki ro kilong ka dadon ka por ya ka lep usually ni le apa ka drill banai but ika palit ki le hadin chisnam chiste So kita ki balong ka burden ya ki kanong. Kawai ka bang kwa ban pentip ban pensai ki ni kipang kanong ba. Kidai ban wan sakman la dadon. Kawai kalong bala dadon tang jong kan la yo I. Rein dadon ka tu jong palit ka tengam. Nam yo I rein kan kata dai ki hadir. Ki ka kata ka kumbang la batai ka jingkran jong gi Islam. Ki so le ran ban di school. Kawai kalong ba ni le ba ndai tang ya ndala ajar ya kata ka dari lai I ya kata ka jong Shillong. Rein na tu ba shua ban kunru. Kawai la ban batai ni ai ka jing kan su thu ki kimi. Kawai nanti tang ki kimi wa di paru. Namar kan ni kala ban ni ki jeans
already told that it is a multiple problem associated with the child. On the face, there is a cleft in the lip and palate, and sometimes patient has a very minor form, or sometimes it's a very major form. So this patient incidence is 1 in 750 live birth. If you see in a hospital a live birth, there is always one cleft patient is there. But somehow these patients are not coming to society because deformities in the facial side, so it is not acceptable in the society. And finally, patients will stay away from the society, and we are losing a major productive human resources from that point of view. And one thing I want to mention that most of the health policies are regarding, they are diverted to the life-saving diseases, fatal diseases like congenital heart diseases, like pediatric emergencies, like pediatric cancers and all these tumors. So in the cleft lip patient never dies. So that's why they are low priority at first. So that's why silently this number of cleft cases build up in the society, and finally we are in a situation here that there is a 3,000, 4,000 number of cleft cases find it out. Usually these are not today's product, this is pending up because of we do not have the expertise enough in to do these type of cases. However, most of the surgeons are busy with the other diseases, so they do not get the time to treat the cleft also. So cleft need a comprehensive approach, like the pediatric care, surgical care, then after that speech therapy, then after that we need dental care. So lots of care is need in the same roof. So we are fortunate to have the NEHU hospital doing all these things, and hopefully we will do again another few cases of every year we will come, and we will do a permanent solution for it by building up some training and resources developing in this area, so that local resources can be utilized for treating the cleft children for a permanent solution. So we are looking for that, but it is not going to do in a one day, but it will come up very gradually. So when a child born with a cleft, there is a very much psychological problem in the family. So they have all the shuttered. Everybody is expecting a very good-looking child in their family. So once a cleft children born, their mentality is always down. Then furthermore, most of the child abandoned. So this is another come to the social problem. Then there is already pediatrics man told that there is a difficulty in feeding and all this, and it goes into a malnutrition. So malnutrition is a big problem in India, and especially in the cleft, because of malnutrition, lots of cleft patients dies in the first year of life. So that's why we need to treat the cleft patients at the due course of time. And furthermore, if the cleft patients survive, there is a difficulty in communications because they cannot speak properly. And without the speaking to the society, without revealing themselves in the society, someone life is not a like life. They are living like in a situation that where they are cannot share their things, their feelings, like that. They are not like a human beings at that point of time. So if we can treat the patient early and they can be rebuilt in the society, it's very good. So usually we need 3 or 4 surgeries, not in a single surgery we cannot treat. So initially at the 6 month of age we do the lip repair, and after that at the 1 year of age we do the palate repair. This is the basic 2 surgeries. After that there are some additional surgeries required where the split gum part we need to treat it. We need to put the bone in over there, and we need to make it continue. So after that also there is a very big deformity in the nose, so we have to correct that nose nasal deformity. So besides surgery, after that we have to follow up the children up to the 15 years or 16 years, so that child can speak very nicely. In between sometimes problem may arise. So we have a good teamwork is required, constantly monitoring the child till child go to the adult level. So
Kajing penyap brio Bashir K Hashnong Ti Sao Nong Ston Haba kawai kalong kami ke badang armet ke balatip kerteng kum ke kong wan saralin wanyang arpu nrius nam karta kala du yala kajing im hadin bala subajur bakala syap penyap hala ujong ukurim. Katelong Khubor na ki he pulit West Khasi Hills kaya thu bakani kajing syap penyap jong kani kalong kami kala ja hakajan mit ar tarik Rymphang hakapor kumba nrius shiteng hajan kaying sa jong kani kalong kami hasnong tisaw. Ki pulit kilayat huru ba utengah jong kate kalong kami ula pom da kawat na ki benta jong ka kli hadu bakan da klat no hashen ya ute utengah ubalale ya kate ka kampo jat bashir kai latip kerteng kum ubiang kupar nong sit nasionong lause West Khasi Hills ki pulit kilayo kem ya u bat kurup ya kawat ka ba ula pendon kam ban pom yap ya la ka jong ka kurim ya ka met jong kane kalong kami lakit no Shillong Civil Hospital. Nakaliang jong uhe pulit ka district ula ai khuble ki pat ba nong song snong bat ki bahayeng hasem jong kani kalong kami ki balayo ban bat ya uni urunar bat ban IT no ya u Khubor ka an kaseng neutral youth council HYC nong ston kala penram jur ya kani ka jingle jong uni ubreu transnam u bala shim jendat ya ka jingim jong ka kurem jong u Kinong yalam ke HYC kila kentu ya Khubor jong ka an ban penshitom jur ya uni ubreu katkum ki kendon jong ka an. Menteri Rangba Konrad K. Sangma ula syembenta hakajingya lang joga jat benriu coach 54th Annual Conference of the Meghalaya Coach Association hajatra khona South Garo Hills hakalai tarik Rymphang ar hajar ar pusau hakajingkran hakani ka Lumpung Menteri Rangba ula penpau kajing kemen baka jat benriu coach kalong ka wei ka kenhun ka bala penpu penping ya ka Jylla da ki dustur kiriti ki banella ki bala wanra ya ka jinga teli bat jinga it hapadeng ki jat benriu jong ka Meghalaya nakaliang kinong yalam kani ka jat benriu coach kila kentu ya Menteri Rangba ban penrung ya ka ketien coach bat hajong haki kerdan puli haki skul jong kani ka Jylla kila ai jingmut haka jaka ban penrung bat hikai ya ka ketien Asamya bat Bengali ladon kam ban kentiu ya kini kiktin da ka ba penrung haki skul jong ka Jylla ban penne pensa ya kiktin tenrai jong kirit pat haka jubab Menteri Rangba ulaong baka National Education Policy arhajar arpau kayo i ya ka jingdon kam bat jing koridor ban penroy ya kiktin tenrai jong kirit pat haka ribaro kawai ulaong ba undang wad ya kilat kilenti khenang ban penurlong ya kini ki jing angnut jong ki Kijat benriu coach bat hajong ki priang hakeleng ki jaka them jong ki kaput India Bangladesh. Kidon lagi jong ki ketin ki telit ki dustur kiriti bat karyam kabet. Kino yalam bah khmat ki badon lang hagani ke Lumpung kilong Ian Botham ke Sangma MLA Salman Para Kartush Ar Marak MLA Bakmara Sengchim and Sangma MLA Chokpot ki MDC bat kino yalam snong jong kajat benriu coach.
Sopan cakam judika sopan ning wa releasing ngilong lagi sopan ning cakam na judika sopan judika tak bagaimana sangman hau
Meghalaya state oba achini dentang je tribe rang aro community rang dunga yan achini strength achini diversity oba yan achini unity ba o inga uli gaban plak jat rang na plak community na achini namgap pa respect ko aro biak ko achini utna nanga ani angat tangde bebera ang uli gaman plak tribe rang ni responsibility yan sini dak pewal ko an sini culture ko an sing may dakir pagnamat gen may dakir ko an sing rakinamat gen may dakir an sing ko promote ka namat gen yan plak jat
Ka Meghalaya Bharatiya Janata Party BJP hakalai tarik Rymphang 8,000 arpusaw kalapan Khuborjylla ya ka kong silbi pasa badi menteri rangba badi menteri sarkar ba AL hek ya ka kong silbi bad uba hek lapan Khuborjylla da presiden ka Meghalaya BJP Rykman Jimomen haka jinga dan lang kinongkit kam ka parti ka kong silbi pasa akala syajir ban yo ya ka khusnam Padma Shri Award 8,000 arpusaw bad uba AL hek lapan Khuborjylla da ka Dada Saheb Phalke Award haba ajingkran hakane ka jinga lang per Khuborjylla ka kong silbi kala ong baka dak daga jingkmen baka sarkar India kala itu ya ki kam baka tre daga khusnam Padma Shri Award 8,000 arpusaw ka kong silbi kala ong baka layat bun snem kum kanong hikay ya ka subject Hindi haki school bad ban kentiu ya ki jingruai bad ki poetry tenrai kum kanong song ka Meghalaya kala yo shibun kilat ban penpriang ya ki jingruai bad ki poetry tenrai tang hapo kari India henre shakiwei pat kiri laong ka kong silbi habapan pau ka jing yaro ya ka Meghalaya BJP kabala ai jing itu khmat ya ki sap jongka kala ong burom yala ka riti dustur bad ya ka ketien tenrai bad ka perthei kan burom ya pi nakaliang uba hek ulaong ba ka khusnam ba uyo kamsong dor bad habayan ujor bad ka khusnam ba yo ka kong silbi kata ka Padma Shri Award 8,000 arpusaw uba hek ulaong ba ka jingyo khusnam kamde ka sngi bakut bantre ya ki kam henre ka de ka jing sedang bantre ya ki kam banang kentiu ya ka jat benriu ba ya ka Jylla barok kawe habapan pau ka jing kemen ba ula sya pen Khuborjylla uba hek ulaong ba ya ka Dada Saheb Phalke Award la aya u halor kana menteri bakan sai hapo Meghalaya
First of all, I would like to thank God who have blessed us with sound health so that we can gather here today. It is a special day for me to be facilitated by you all, the influential people of the country. I am indeed honored. My gratitude goes to the organizer of this program, who feels that I deserve this appreciation. I have come a long way in my journey as a Hindi teacher, taking part in my student to curricular activities. I have this keen interest to preserve and promote traditional song, dance, as well as instrument to love all this. traditional instrument. What belong my students? In the later year, the Department of Art and Culture acknowledged my effort and paid way for me to enhance our culture. I was given an opportunity to showcase our traditional song, dance, not only within the state, but also to the different states of India. I am grateful to the Department of Art and Culture and also to the ICCR. Looking back, I remember Ba A.L. Heck, Ba Khuborjylla, the former Minister of Art and Culture, who always inspired me whenever we perform a word of inspiration from them is indeed a spark to dwelling in purpose.
The executive members, the Mahila, the Yuba, and all other esteemed members of the party and our esteemed guests who are present here today. For the felicitation program conferred to all two of us, Kong Sibi Pasa, the Padma Shri awardee. If I compare the awards that she has received by Kong Sibi Pasa, I am nobody. No comparisons at all. So I congratulate you, Kong Pasa, for all the achievement that you have done, not only for you, for the society, for the states, and for the nations. So I'd like to thank also our spokespersons, so also my good friends, Ba Karkrang, who presiding over the proceeding this evening, and everyone present here. Receiving the awards is not the ends of your journey.
Kinoyalam kaseng ki Samla Pule Garo Students Union GSU nakathan Chokpot South Garo Hills kilapan pau kajing persyak jur padawa ban pensange no ya kajing ti mau hasnong badugre harur kawa dareng namar kisnong ki badon hasilenter kanikawa ki yo umdi naka. Hakaju kapor kisnong ki pedon kam ya ka nakanikawa haki babun kiliang halayeng lasem. Da kani kajing ti mau ka nakanikawa kisnong harut jong kanikawa kimla su ban pendon kam yaka hakasyet katiu ban bam bandi. Kinong alam jong ka GSU hakajing alam jong ujesh e sangma president kila tho bat ut bon sien sya menteri rangba Konrad ke sangma syaki MLA bat kinong alam pat ba nakanika than ban pensange yakajing ti mau nakanikawa. Henry hadu kini kisngi kidang sengap menti bat kim patiau AA kila kendo. Haka artarik kidekot jangka GSU Chokpot kila yo bat yaka kali kit mau ML not pra esh pra lai Henry unongnya ula yo lat ban her krat na kti jangki. Kisamla GSU na Chokpot kila ud halor kajing penjulor yaka wa dareng hakaba kido kila sedang bandu jat menta. Kumta kila kerpa de Khubor Senshar district ban tuklar halor kajing penjulor yaka me Maryang hakanikawa. Kila longru palat sisnem tam kila ud bat ujor ya kane kajing ti mau hakanikawa Henry 4 goi ya kikti jangka an pan pensange yaka. Uwe ubre ubalatip kerteng da uba Marshal Marwi nakasnong mau kerwat mau thau pada uba syong basa ha mau lai mau yong ubadang dan lai posnam kerta ulaja kensan nagajaka karnyut kaba hamarten. Haka jingkran bat kibriye ki baju trei lumnyut hamarten kilayat ho uba Marshal ude ubriye ubaju lumnyut bat karnar lengkot lengkai man kasngi hamarten hadin ba uladap wan bela kali. Katkum gajingnya thu jong kibriye ki baju trei haka ni gajaka hakapor uba Marshal udang kar prek bat nyut hariat marten ulum ula tua kensan bat hakata kapor imat ula syatap hakata kajing tua. Kibriye ki badan hamarten kilawat ya uni urang ba henrei kimlapshu satya. La suba ban anta jur uba Marshal ula syatap haka kendo bat kinyut nakata kajing tua. Kani kajing jar ngai uni urang ba kalajah kapor pedeng sngi kumbakar artam. Na kalian kibriye ki batrei hamarten bat kinong trei ka Meghalaya Urban Development Authority muda rengkat ki pulit na maulai police station kila penlong kajing wat ban lap yakamet jong uni urang ba. Pada kitu ki Khubor lapoi syakabakut tak hadu bangin daya syambiang kublai shibuan.